Today at Model Corner, we'll be looking at the Gemini jets, American Airlines Boeing 737-800 with the Astrojet Livery in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this model comes packaged in a presentation box which has an image of the plane identical to the model found inside, American Airlines, which is the model, obviously the airline that ran this plane, and Boeing 737, the model of the plane featured inside. Turning it over, we have some information about what a Gemini jet is, plus another picture of the plane featured inside. Turning it back to the front, open up, we've got a window showing you the plane inside the box, so you can see it without having to take it out of the box if you chose not to. And now here we have a little bit of history about the Boeing 737-800, as well as some specification information such as length, height and wingspan in feet and inches, and some other info such as seating, range, cruising speed, and max takeoff weight. Now let's open it up and have a look at the actual model inside. So as you can see, here it is packaged in nicely. Just take the cover off. And the big down, these are die-cast metal, so they are nice and sturdy, but they have some smaller parts which if you're too rough with may break off. But again, as long as you handle it with care, that shouldn't be an issue. So here it is, the Boeing 737-800 with an Astrojet livery, which is a throwback livery to one of American Airlines' most iconic liveries from the 1960s. And obviously this is it on a modern plane. So let's have a look at all the details, such as the very highly detailed landing gear. We can see things like the flaps, ailerons, wingtips, rotors and elevators on the stabilizers. Got very nice detailed jet engines, detailed landing gear. Got a little Gemini Jets logo on the bottom. We have a registration of N905NN. Look at that. Obviously a very reflective fuselage on this body. Very metallically reflective. Obviously very unique design. We've got a red lightning bolt running all the way across. And on the vertical stabilizer, we have a classic American Airlines logo of one that is no longer used, as well as Astrojet written right there. Now this model has a wingspan of about 9 centimeters and is about 9.9 centimeters long. It's a very nice sized model. And then this model is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.